Welcome to Myanmar, a land of ancient wonders and breathtaking beauty. Myanmar's beauty is truly unparalleled, a treasure trove of natural wonders and cultural riches.
Welcome to Myanmar, a land of timeless beauty and rich traditions. Join us as we embark on a 10-minute aerial journey through its most captivating destinations. From the ancient temples of Bagan to the serene shores of Ngapali Beach, we'll soar above breathtaking landscapes and witness the vibrant tapestry of life that unfolds below. Our adventure will take us over shimmering lakes, bustling cities, and tranquil countryside, offering a unique perspective on this enchanting country. Our adventure begins in Bagan, a site that takes us back centuries, to a time when the earth itself was adorned with towering testaments to faith. This ancient city, located in Myanmar, is a treasure trove of history and culture, where every corner tells a story of devotion and architectural brilliance. Spread across the verdant plains as far as the eye can see, lie thousands of ancient temples and stupas. These structures, built between the 9th and 13th centuries, represent the zenith of Bagan's architectural and cultural achievements. Each brick, each archway, a testament to the dedication and artistry of a bygone era. The craftsmanship is evident in the intricate details that have withstood the test of time, showcasing the skills of the artisans who once walked these grounds. The sheer scale of this archaeological wonder is best appreciated from above, where the full panorama of these timeless structures unfolds. From this vantage point, one can truly grasp the magnitude of Bagan's historical and cultural significance. As we drift over this ancient city, we see the remnants of a glorious past, a time when Bagan stood as the heart of a mighty kingdom. The ruins tell tales of a civilization that valued spirituality and artistic expression above all else. The rising sun casts long shadows from the temples, painting the landscape in hues of gold and ochre. This daily spectacle is a reminder of the timeless beauty and enduring legacy of Bagan. The air is alive with the murmur of history, whispering tales of kings and monks, pilgrims and artisans. Each sound, each whisper adds another layer to the rich tapestry of Bagan's past. Look closely, and you'll see the intricate carvings that adorn the temple walls, each one a masterpiece of ancient craftsmanship. These carvings depict scenes from Buddhist mythology, daily life, and the natural world, offering a glimpse into the minds and hearts of the people who created them. Generations of artisans have left their mark on these sacred stones, their skills passed down through centuries. Their legacy is etched into every surface, a testament to their enduring dedication and talent. Even today, amidst these timeless ruins, life goes on. Locals and visitors alike walk among the temples, connecting with the past while creating new memories in this historic landscape. We see local artisans, their hands weathered by time, meticulously restoring the temples, ensuring that the legacy of Bagan endures. Their work is a bridge between the past and the future, preserving the beauty and history of Bagan for generations to come. Leaving the sun-drenched plains of Bagan, our journey takes us south, to the tranquil waters of Inle Lake. This serene body of water, nestled in the heart of Myanmar, is a world away from the bustling cities and ancient temples. Here, the air is filled with the gentle sounds of nature, and the horizon is painted with hues of blue and green. Here, life unfolds at a different pace, dictated by the rhythms of the lake itself. The calm waters reflect the sky, creating a mirror-like surface that seems to stretch on forever. It's a place where time slows down, and the hustle and bustle of modern life feels like a distant memory. As we glide over the shimmering surface, we enter a world where communities have adapted to their unique environment, creating a way of life unlike any other. Boats are the primary mode of transportation, and the lake is the lifeblood of the people who call this place home. The lake is dotted with floating gardens, verdant patches of land ingeniously constructed from reeds and anchored to the lakebed. These gardens are a marvel of agricultural innovation, allowing the locals to grow crops in an otherwise challenging environment. These floating farms, a testament to human ingenuity, provide sustenance for the local communities. Farmers tend to their crops with care, ensuring that the gardens remain productive and sustainable. Tomatoes, beans, and flowers flourish in this unusual setting, their vibrant colors a stark contrast to the deep blue of the lake. The sight of these floating gardens is both beautiful and inspiring, a reminder of the harmony between humans and nature. Life on Inle Lake revolves around water. Every aspect of daily life is intertwined with the lake, from transportation to food production. We see fishermen skillfully maneuvering their boats, their legs wrapped around long oars in a traditional rowing technique unique to this region. This method, passed down through generations, allows them to navigate the waters with precision and ease. Their movements are fluid and graceful, a testament to years of practice and a deep connection to the lake. Watching them is like witnessing a dance, each motion perfectly synchronized with the rhythm of the water. Stilted villages rise from the water's edge, their wooden houses connected by a network of canals. These homes, elevated above the water, provide safety and stability for the families who live here. Life here is communal, with families sharing boats, fishing grounds, and the bounty of the lake. The sense of community is strong, and everyone works together to ensure the well-being of all. Children paddle canoes between houses, their laughter echoing across the water, while women weave intricate textiles on looms beneath their homes. These textiles are not just functional but also a form of artistic expression, showcasing the skill and creativity of the weavers. The pace of life may be slower here, but the spirit of the people is vibrant. Every day is filled with activity, from tending to the gardens to fishing and weaving. Inle Lake is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, a place where life finds a way to thrive even in the most extraordinary of circumstances. The people of Inle Lake have created a harmonious existence, living in tune with the natural world around them. Chapter 3. Our journey continues northwards to Mandalay, the cultural heart of Myanmar. This city, steeped in history and tradition, offers a unique blend of the old and the new, where the past and present coexist in a harmonious dance. This bustling city, situated on the banks of the Irrawaddy River, is a place where ancient traditions meet modern aspirations. The river itself is a lifeline, providing sustenance and a means of transport for the people of Mandalay. From above, we witness the grandeur of Mandalay Palace, its golden roofs shimmering under the midday sun. This palace is not just an architectural marvel, but a living testament to the city's royal heritage. This sprawling complex, once home to the Burmese monarchy, stands as a symbol of the city's rich history. Each building within the palace grounds tells a story of a bygone era, of kings and queens, of battles and celebrations. Leaving the palace behind, we soar over the city, a tapestry of bustling markets, glittering pagodas, and tree-lined avenues. The markets are a hive of activity where vendors sell everything from fresh produce to traditional crafts. The air hums with the sounds of life, the chatter of vendors, the laughter of children, the rhythmic chanting of monks. Each sound adds to the symphony that is Mandalay, a city alive with energy and spirit. As the sun begins its descent, casting a warm glow over the city, we approach the U Bein Bridge, a structure that seems to embody the very soul of Mandalay. This bridge, with its weathered teakwood planks, has stood the test of time. Spanning the Tongtaman Lake, this teakwood bridge, the longest of its kind in the world, is more than just a means of crossing the water. It is a place of pilgrimage, a gathering place, and a timeless symbol of Burmese craftsmanship. People from all walks of life come here, to reflect, to connect, and to witness the beauty of the setting sun. We watch as monks in saffron robes make their way across the bridge, their serene figures silhouetted against the fiery hues of the setting sun. Their presence adds a sense of tranquility and reverence to the scene. Local families gather on the banks of the lake, their faces illuminated by the golden light, enjoying the cool evening breeze. It is a moment of peace and togetherness, a daily ritual that brings the community closer. The U Bein Bridge, a timeless masterpiece, stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of Mandalay. It is a symbol of resilience, of beauty, and of the unbreakable bond between the people and their heritage. Chapter 4. Leaving the bustling city behind, our journey takes us westward, towards the tranquil shores of the Bay of Bengal. Here, nestled along the coastline of the Rakhine state, lies Ngapali Beach, a haven of peace and tranquility. As we approach from the air, the turquoise waters of the bay shimmer under the tropical sun, beckoning us to experience their warmth. The beach itself is a ribbon of pristine white sand, fringed by swaying palm trees and dotted with colorful fishing boats. The air is filled with the sound of the waves gently lapping against the shore, a soothing symphony that invites relaxation and contemplation. Ngapali is a place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, to reconnect with nature and rediscover the simple pleasures. We see fishermen casting their nets in the shallows, their movements as timeless as the tides themselves. Children play on the beach, their laughter carried by the gentle sea breeze. As we soar above the coastline, we are struck by the untouched beauty of this hidden gem. Ngapali Beach, with its azure waters, pristine sands, and laid-back charm, offers a glimpse of paradise. Chapter 5. Our journey concludes in Yangon, Myanmar's largest city, where the golden spire of the Shwedagon Pagoda pierces the sky, a beacon of faith visible for miles around. As the sun begins its final descent, casting a warm glow over the city, the pagoda comes alive with light, its golden surface shimmering like a beacon of hope. From our vantage point above, we see the city spread out below, a tapestry of bustling streets, vibrant markets, and serene parks. Yangon is a city of contrasts, where ancient traditions coexist with modern aspirations. The air is alive with the sounds of life, the honking of cars, the chatter of vendors, the chanting of monks. As we circle the Shwedagon Pagoda, we are reminded of the enduring spirit of Myanmar, a land of breathtaking beauty, rich traditions, and resilient people. From the ancient temples of Bagan to the serene shores of Ngapali Beach, Myanmar has captivated our senses and left an indelible mark on our souls. And so, we bid farewell to this land of enchantment. Myanmar, with its timeless beauty and enduring spirit, has offered us a glimpse into a world of vibrant cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and unparalleled wonders. As the sun sets on our journey, we are left with a profound sense of awe and a deep appreciation for the resilience of the human spirit. Until next time, may your travels be filled with wonder.